Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to do APA format on Google Docs. If you've ever found yourself struggling to set up your academic papers in APA format using Google Docs, you're certainly not alone. Navigating the intricacies of formatting can be time-consuming and confusing, especially when you're under a deadline. But don't worry, we're here to simplify the process for you. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills to format your document like a pro, saving you time and making sure your paper meets all the necessary guidelines. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and go to docs.google.com. Once you're there, you should notice a section called the Template Gallery. This is a fantastic feature that Google Docs offers to make your life easier. So, click on the Template Gallery. Within this gallery, you'll find a variety of pre-made templates for different purposes, including the APA format. Now you'll need to scroll all the way down until you reach the section labeled Education. This is where Google Docs houses its academic templates. You will see options for both the APA 6th edition and the 7th edition. It's important to select the correct one based on what your professor or supervisor has specified. For instance, if your professor has asked for the 6th edition, make sure to click on that template. Once you've selected the appropriate template, you'll see that it's essentially a pre-formatted document. Everything is editable, which means you can input your own information and details directly into this document. If you've already started writing your paper somewhere else, all you need to do is copy your existing text and paste it into this template. It's designed to handle this seamlessly, so you don't have to worry about messing up the format. This template includes all the essential elements like the title page, headers, and the correct font style and size, which are typically in Times New Roman 12-point font. It even sets the right margins and spacing for you. Following the template is straightforward. Just replace the placeholder text with your own content. It's as simple as that. Remember, using this template ensures that you adhere to APA guidelines, which is crucial for academic writing. It's a huge time saver and takes the guesswork out of formatting, allowing you to focus more on your writing and research. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to do APA format on Google Docs. If you want more videos like how to do APA format on Google Docs, subscribe to our channel PMN Online.